Okay, gentlemen, in this period, we want to have a look at 5i, which is applying algebra. Now, we want to be able to model simple situations using either an algebraic term or an equation, and to be able to write expressions from given information. And then to understand that a model requires defining what the variables stand for. So that means the what if we give the pronumerals or we give the pronumerals or the variables a value. So the skills, the higher mathematics and skills of algebra are being able to apply it to situations that we hadn't thought of. So let's have a look, such as people going to pay the special deals for the local carnival, or if you go to SeaWorld or you go to one of those theme parks on the Gold Coast, you can pay a certain amount and get rides all day. Or there are some where you pay an entry fee and then pick up tokens or pay per ride. So Melbourne Show or something like that. Whereas you can pay no cost and then pay $5 for the ride, no cost to enter. So you could work out what's the best deal for those, right? You need to be able to model it with an algebraic expression. So we'd look at those for giving that in a carnival situation. Now, the understanding you can substitute what would be the value of this expression when d equals 10 or when d equals 12. So 3 times 10 plus 5, or 3 times 12 plus 5, or 3 times 0 plus 5. Now, we can consider this situation here, which is an isosceles triangle, which is where a triangle where two sides are equal length and the third one is not. So how do we find the perimeter of that using that? So there are some basic things that we should know how to do. The total cost of K bottles, or it could be S bottles or B bottles when they cost $4 each, 4 times K. The area of a rectangle, if its length is 2 centimeters more than its width, and its width is X centimeters. So the width, right, X times X plus 2. Right, where the width is X centimeters. So area equals L times W. So that is X times X plus 2. Right, so X bracket X plus 2 when we've done those. Okay, then the cost of hiring a plumber for N number of hours, if he charges $40 for a call out fee and then $70 per hour. So that's 40 plus 70N. $70 per hour means that the cost to hire the plumber would be 70 times N. Additionally, $40 is added for the call-out fee. It's pretty straightforward. Now, you can have a go at these ones here. The total cost of N books, if the cost is $12, that's 12N. Perimeter of a rectangle, if its width is X and its length is 3 centimeters longer than the width. So then you've got X plus 3. So you've got X plus 3 in a bracket, plus X plus X plus 3 in a bracket. Let's have a look at these ones here. The total cost of K muffins, if each muffin costs $5, so that would be K5. The area of a rectangle, if its length is 7 centimeters more than its width, and its width is X centimeters. So if we had a look at something like that, so this will space, draw to a shape, it does. So what we've got here is 7 centimeters more than its width, and its width is X. So typing sometimes I get bigger. So we've got X here, and then X plus 7. So we've got our diagram. So if we look at that, we've got the area of a rectangle. So the area is going to be, back to here, area equal LW. So equals X times, sorry, take that off, but it's trying to do that. I'm trying to write, it's not easy. Yeah. X times plus 7. Now we use the distributive law, so area equals x times x is x squared plus 7x. So what I've done there is drawn a diagram. The width is x and the length is 7, or x plus 7. So I can substitute, which is what we've done, and applied algebra, substituted the length times width. Here's the length. Remember, in multiplying, the order doesn't matter. X times x plus 7, x bracket x plus 7, and multiply out x times x, and then 7x times 7. The area will be x squared plus 7x. So we can work your way through this morning. Oops, not sure what's gone on there with the book. Don't know what's happened here. Let's go back to here. So you're working your way through 5i, right? If you're doing either, you're doing adjusted, standard, or the advanced. So this morning, if you are up to date, what I would like you to be doing is working your way through 5i, and then we'll do some revision. Chapter review, of course, is always the section, shouldn't say little, the section at the end that you go over and review the whole thing. So that is for this morning's lesson, gentlemen, period 4. Thank you very much.